Introducing
I feel so stressed. I can't even feel my pulse strongly. What's wrong with me? I feel I'm going to faint.
Need some help? This is the Pulse Plus.
What's that?
This is a heartbeat measuring device and it measures your heart rate.
Can you please teach me how to use it?
Put your thumb here and you'll get your measurement right away. Pretty high.
It's time for your meds. But before that, let's measure your pulse. Put your finger here.
This box can do that, man.
Can.
Grandpa cannot see clearly?
It's okay, you can adjust the brightness.
Use that thing, is it?
Yeah, see? You have to go take your meds now.
Must, man.
Yes.
Alamak.
Perfect day for a jog. Oh, just dropped it.
Good as new though.